What's up, everybody? What up? What up? What up? Figured I'd make a update video. I just noticed on the last video the overlays for the fenders didn't show up. I did include the link for those of you are asking where to buy them at. I'll do it again. I'll put the fender overlay in this video somewhere around here or whatnot. But anywho, again, I figured I'd make this update video about the fenders. I had to schedule a date for the freight company to drop them off, so it will be this Friday. Finally. They'll show up Friday. I obviously have to work, so I'm pretty much taking the fenders. I have to look at them, make sure they're not damaged before I accept them, and probably make a video then on the quality, how they look, etc. Or if not, put them away and then wait till the weekend so I can take a look at them. But sorry about that. I didn't realize that the picture of the fenders on the last video didn't show up. So again, like I said, I'll overlay the fenders that we bought months ago here. But anyway, I figured in this video I went to Best Buy, bought some new stuff. I've been looking for this controller for a while. Pretty difficult to come by in the state of Texas. Only 2 stores had it, and one was very far from me, and one I got lucky at Best Buy had like 2 left. So went down there, scooped it up. Got a new band for my iWatch, but unfortunately I have the Series 2. And if you guys know anything about the Series 2, it has an issue with rusting. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. There you go. Rust really bad. It said it was waterproof, but obviously back then it's not. The new ones obviously are. So getting this band off is going to be a pain in the butt. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. I got it out before a while ago, but obviously over time, I had this watch when it first came out. It's gotten worse. So I know in a couple of days, Apple's actually about to have the conference where they're going to announce the iPhone 13, which I have the 11 Pro, and they're going to announce the new Apple Watch 7. So if I'm going to get a new watch or whatever, replaces one, might get the Apple Watch 7, but I need to make sure it doesn't do this crap rust. But it seems like it was only this generation, Series 2, that had that issue, because they actually made them actually waterproof or whatnot. But yeah, I figured I'd just do a quick unboxing video of the new these new PS5 controllers. They did come in black, and they come in this color, the cosmic red. And like I said, this color is very, very hard to come by here in Texas. So got lucky enough to get one. Just want to open it. Now I have a controller that will match my custom red PS5. Now, again, as you can see it, I did do a custom bezel red at the end, but there's no white in my console at all now. So I was actually going to customize it, which I actually am still going to. I'm going to take that controller. I'm going to customize that controller. So stay tuned for that. Got a bunch of parts actually coming in to just make a completely different custom controller. But I went the red and black theme. Here you go. They actually, finally, and of course, we know Xbox has tons of different color controllers, etc. So they finally made a red controller for the PS5. Here it is. Like I said, I'll do a quick unboxing of it. Check it out together. See what it looks like, etc. But yeah, I had to get, that's the OCD kicking in. I had to get something that matched my console. I was waiting for red for like a minute. I was like one of the first ones to actually get a red shell. Had it for a while. Obviously, you guys have seen my videos. I know the next gen consoles are still extremely hard to come by. You guys know I had a bunch of them. They're all gone. But yeah, they got that new Halo edition that was announced. Wasn't watching GameCon because of that work, so I missed the pre-orders for that one. But we still have two sites that still haven't launched the pre-orders yet, which would be Amazon and Best Buy. So if you're looking for the Halo edition Series X, stay tuned for those 2 companies. Are going to hold on. Let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand, kind of difficult. But they said at the launch, there's coming out. Give me a second. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to pull this thing out right quick. Hold on. Boxes are tight. I don't want to destroy the box. There we go. There we go, guys. So I just want to continue this video. So there's a cosmic red. See how red it is. I'm thinking it's kind of a darkish red. Let's see, it doesn't matter either way, it's still red. All right, here it is. I have to charge the controller anyways. And need that stuff. Keep that box next to the other white one. Here we go, Cosmic Red PS5 controller, finally. First time I've seen it, like I said, been looking for this one. Ooh, okay. There we go. And this is being shot in 4K, guys. Hope you guys do appreciate me shooting in 4K now. There we go. That's a close-up for you guys. That thing about buying this controller, I want to actually see a high-quality video of it. The red buttons, loving it. Yeah, loving it. Now, we all know that these Sony controllers do have the issue of the drift stick. My original controller that came with the console actually had that issue, but GameStop replaced it, gave me a brand new controller. That's why I had that box right there. Here you guys go. This is it, Cosmic Red controller. Awesome. I have to charge it, obviously. I'm going to go charge it. I'm going to sync this one to my console, and then I'm going to unsync that one. Never saw a point in having two controllers. When people do come up, I guess when people come up and play, do have the hard to get playing charge kit now, so I can actually hook that up and actually use it because I have two controllers now. But heck yeah, I'm excited. Let's take this over there. And so now I have a red controller. Move that the way. To go. Now there's a darker red compared to the shell. Stand up. That I got. This matches the shell perfectly. But there you go. At least I have now a red controller to go with my red console. Baby Yoda. There we go. And like I said, I will be customizing this one now. So now that I can, because I didn't want to go ahead and take this one apart and start messing with it and customizing it. Besides this, customizing it without having a backup just in case I do break it when I take this thing apart or whatever. So I want to make sure I got another one. So there we go. There you guys go. Like I said, the red's a little darker, but this is the official PlayStation Red. And we're going to use this one to experiment on and modify once all the pieces come in. Yep, and if you guys can see the green, there's the Series X. And yes, they did actually make a post-red Series X controller. As you see, mine is black. I would have to get like a for the Xboxes. They don't actually have replacement shells here. This is all vinyl skin, so I have to get like a red skin. But the post-red controller is actually red on top and then white on the bottom. Been awesome if it was red, all the way red, or there's like red and black on the bottom. That'd be pretty cool. I know they do make custom controller skins, etc. for the Series X, so we'll see. Right now I'm on the PS5 customization grind. As far as just customizing, just trying to make mine unique and different. Now I'm happy now. They're all red. There we go. It matches. Great. So like I said, when I get these parts for the controllers to come in, and we'll start taking these things apart and modifying them, etc. I actually do have one of the rare Xbox One controllers that was made by a company. I'll show it in another video once I get the pieces so we can create a custom controller for the PS5. I'll show that one. It's the only reason why I haven't modified any of my Xbox controllers. I mean, shoot, I know I got a couple, but the only ones I can find, obviously this one came with the console Series X. I do have the custom one that's over there. And I have a white one that went with the Quantum Break white console right there. So, yeah, we're going to start modifying the Series X. I do want to get the, if I can, I do want to get the Halo edition of it. Yeah, I'm just going to get one, guys. I'm not going to get like a bunch of them. I mean, these consoles are already limited. This is crazy. You got limited edition of a limited console. You still can't get these things. So, good luck to you guys. Still trying to get one. If you guys are needing help or assistance, like getting a console, just let me know. I can help you guys out as far as scoring a next-gen console. But yeah, like I said, I'll put the overlays up in the beginning of the video. The fenders, they're coming in this Friday. Finally. Get the fenders. We'll check them out, check out the quality, etc., etc. Then we'll have to go about finding the shop to get them installed and get them painted up the way I'm wanting to get them painted up. And so we'll be back on the Z as far as modifications go. But all right, guys, just want to make this quick video. give you guys an update. I know some of you guys been waiting to see the fenders. You guys wanted to see them, like actually see them, not like in pictures. Same here. Like I said, they made the order. So second person ever to on this. I should say third person overall to order them. But I'm the first person on this side of the United States to actually have them. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to get them. Be rocking those things, and nobody's gonna have them. You're gonna be asking questions. Again, I did post a link on where you guys can buy the fenders. They're not cheap by any means, so don't expect to pay $1,000. It's way more than that. So, but I think it'll be worth it, and we'll find out. Actually, we'll find out on Friday if there was it. Hopefully, there's no damage, because again, that would completely stink. Waiting over 6+ months for this, and for it to be cracked or something would be like devastating. That'd just be crazy. It's like another year wait. So hopefully not. Fingers crossed, everything is good. But again, like I said, I just want to show you guys that's the new Crimson Red controller. They do have a new black one. But like I said, stay tuned for my customer. We're going to customize that other controller. I got these pieces in. You guys will see what's up or whatever. But like I said, now everything matches. That's awesome. So I haven't actually played my Series X since like November. But I'm on the RPG binge right now for some reason. I've already completely destroyed FF7. So thank goodness for Game Pass. Game Pass is awesome. So there's the new what do you call it? Breath of Fire 6. So download that on Game Pass, and also another game, the Ascent or Advent or something like that I've been wanting to play. I didn't know it came out, so definitely got those on Game Pass. So I'm about to actually start rocking that. But like I said, I want to make a quick update video because I saw that the pictures of the fenders weren't posted. So you guys have any questions, comment down below. Like I said, as soon as those fenders come in, we'll see what we got. We'll check them out together, and hopefully everything is A1, perfect weave, etc. We'll find out together. But please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Like the video, guys. Like the video. Pass the video on to other people. Like I said, I'm one of the few ones actually modifying an average person, not somebody that's got money or whatever. But I work hard for everything I got. So again, pass it along to other people. You guys have any questions? I did notice that some of you guys are asking me for some of the Honda parts. Replied to some of you guys already. You guys are interested? Hit me back. Like I said, willing to sell those parts at a huge discount, because I'm not going to use them. That's for the spare performance parts that I got 2 of, somehow. But again, click like and subscribe, guys. Let's get that subscriber count up. See you guys next video. Heck yeah. I'm out, guys. Peace. Heck yeah, I gotta believe you guys are the custom. You see how custom my console is. Why that controller's charging? The ultraviolet. That make her 5, yeet.